The reason that I decided to create this course is simple, because I was tired and wanted to learn how I can improve my own nutrition in order to have more energy. I have a full-time job, I'm in graduate school, I have obligations that require me to be present and clear-headed. Frankly, I couldn't afford to be tired, especially when making small changes to my diet is all that I needed to maximize my output. This doesn't need to be mentioned, but the obvious added benefit is that it feels good to be energized. Nobody likes feeling tired all the time, so if you can do something about it, it's important that you do. The amount of information available right now on nutrition and its effects on health is absolutely staggering. What I have done is synthesize the bulk of this information and present you with the most pertinent facts and tips for countering fatigue and promoting energy in the most healthful ways. The debates within this topic are numerous and can get heated. My goal was to offer a balanced view of the available information with no personal opinions or biases. That being said, I know that what works for some people may not necessarily work for others, so if you feel at the end of this course that your personal attempt to implement this information into your life did not lead you to a more energetic daily life, then just let me know and you can have your course fee back. The content from this course has been sourced from a variety of credible sources, such as books, scholarly journals, and qualified professionals with much more expertise in this area than me. If you have questions about the source of any of the content, please feel free to shoot me an email to the email address listed on the course page, and I will gladly direct you to the primary source. As you will see throughout the course, the overall theme I want to emphasize is balance. If it seems obvious, it's because it is. The vast majority of people selling diet programs like Paleo and Atkins seem to avoid this mindset. From what I can tell, this is because telling people to eat a balanced diet is not, to put it bluntly, marketable. But, marketable or not, balance is an effective mindset not just with nutrition, but in all areas of life. Balance with your sleep schedule, balance with your exercise regimen, even balance with your social life will lead to a healthier life. The last thing I want to say before we dive in is that I'm not trying to promote a diet in the sense that if you eat nutritiously for a temporary period of time, then you'll have unlimited energy forever. What I'm trying to give you is an idea of the type of foods and meals a person should eat if they were trying to optimize their diet for energy. This isn't about cutting back on anything. That's the wrong way of looking at it. This is about healthy living, one of the main factors of which is what you put into your body. If you are filling up on the food that your body needs to function optimally, then you won't be hungry for the stuff that slows your body down and fogs up your brain.